Howdy y'all, welcome to the Orlando Universal Traveler channel. My name is Dave. Today's episode is Camp Jurassic Unnarrated Tour in Jurassic Park, part of Islands of Adventure. We're going to show you a map on where that's located, but first let's kick off that intro. And here on the map, we're going to show right here in the middle is City Walk. Once we're in City Walk, we're going to make our way left across the bridge toward the lighthouse, which is Islands of Adventure, making our way into Port of Entry. Now, there are a couple of ways to get there. We're going to first take the path to the left, which is Marvel Superhero Island, Toon Lagoon, into Jurassic Park to make our way to Camp Jurassic. The other way is through Seuss Landing, through Lost Continent, into the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Zooming into the map here, over on that right hand side is that bridge by the castle that takes you to Jurassic Park. You're going to go past the River Adventure to Camp Jurassic. If you're coming from Toon Lagoon here on the left hand side, you'll make your way along the path into Camp Jurassic. Now let's get this tour started.
Because it went on pee before I got here. At Jurassic Is there?
Yeah, I know. She's earlier.
That one was cold.
Oh, I was like, that's the real one.
I got you. Come here. It's lights. There's lights. There's lights. I don't know, we're at the top level now.
Pessoal,
Aura,
vem.
fica perto.
Cara, vamos por aqui, vamos por aqui.
You're good. Have a good day. look at you now. It was a whole 2 seconds, you know, it feels like an hour.
Gray Under Armour hoodie, a black Under Armour hoodie, and a I guess there's 3 of them.
That's going to wrap up this episode here on the Orlando Universal Traveler channel. Again, my name is Dave. Thank you so much for joining me. Please be sure to click that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notifications bell so that way you're not missing any upcoming episodes. Leave a comment down below as well. I would appreciate it. And check out one of these other 2 videos as well. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you next time.